Welcome back, Texoma, on what is likely to be a busy day across Texoma with the Weather Center as far as concerned. Those showers and thunderstorms expected from start to finish. We'll see that first round of storms kind of moving into the area as we speak, still into the western and now moving into the more central parts of Texoma. Expecting still more rounds, another round into the early afternoon with a third round expected later this evening. Temperatures again will warm up into those upper 70s and low 80s. Here's those storms that we're talking about. Again, that first round already moving in towards parts of Texoma. That second round back off towards the north and west, and we have seen some of those warnings just now expired. They were set to expire at 6:45, so now allowing those warnings to expire. Those winds and that hail core has weakened a little bit, so no severe thunderstorm warnings to speak of here in Texoma, but we're still looking at those heavy downpours, some flashes of lightning moving in towards Wichita County, as well as moving through the Seymour area, so in towards Baylor County, and now getting into Archer County as those storms continue to push further towards the east. Again, the biggest concern we have seen with this has been those gusty winds. A little bit of a hail core that we saw in towards Knox County. That is now weakened a little bit. So again, staying less than severe, certainly welcome news, but we still have the potential for some of those heavy downpours for that early morning compute, especially along 277. That will continue to push those storms further towards the east as we get in towards the later morning time frame. Again, those warnings have been set to expire, and again, that hail core weakening as we've gone in towards the later morning hours as well. So we'll still look at those showers to linger through the morning, but the next round of showers and storms are expected as we get into the early afternoon. That'll see that second round pushing into our area, revamping the potential for some of the hail as well as those gusty winds. That'll continue into the early afternoon and could start pushing into the eastern and southeastern parts of Texoma. But again, that's just going to be that second round of storms with severe potential. We'll look at a third round as we go in towards the evening hours. This might be one of those showers and storms that you kind of sit out and might be mostly kind of watching some of the Maverick games if you're trying to stay indoors and kind of ride out those showers and thunderstorms as they move their way across through the overnight hours. Some of those storms could carry into Friday morning as well, so still likely to see rumbles of thunder throughout the day. That's going to carry in towards Friday. We'll still look at those rain chances persisting through the rest of the work week. Again, the bullseye back off towards the west. The storms will weaken a little bit as they move across Texoma, but still hanging on to the potential for that large hail and some of those gusty winds associated with those storms. Temperatures into those upper 60s and low 70s to start off. 71 degrees here at Wichita Falls, Lawton, Vernon, as well as Benjamin sitting at 71 degrees. And we will see those temperatures warm up at least another 10 degrees, getting into those upper 70s and low 80s. Scattered showers and thunderstorms expected basically from start to finish. We'll continue that through the morning and into the early afternoon, and then we'll see that third round moving in towards the evening time frame. Still looking at those scattered showers and thunderstorms. Again, will carry in towards your Friday, though a little bit further towards the southeast. That the severe weather threat will shift a little bit and towards southern parts of Texas, though we will see that potential here in Texoma as well, mostly in towards the southeastern parts of Texoma. Really looking at that severe weather threat to carry in towards your Friday. Those rain chances continue as we go in towards the weekend, though a little bit more isolated in nature. Those temperatures will climb from the 80s into the low 90s to start off next week.